Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use a pawn actor for simple movement. First, let's go to the content browser, then create a pawn actor. Name it BP Tank. In the Components panel, I use a sphere collision as the root, then add a static mesh component as a child and rename it to body. Add another child static mesh and rename it to top. Set static mesh body component and top component that you had in content browser. Now, add an arrow component so we can see the forward direction. Set hidden in game to false. Rotate the tank body so that it matches the arrow direction. Drag BP Tank into your level. Next, go back to the content browser and create an actor for the camera. Name it BP Camera Tank. In Event Begin Play, get the player controller node. Then connect it to Set View Target with Blend. Set the new view target to Self. Drag BP Camera Tank into the level and position the view however you want. Test it, and you should see the camera is now working. I'm using the default IMC default from the third-person template. Back in BP Tank, in Event Begin Play, get the controller. Then cast to Player Controller. From that, get the Enhanced Input Local Player subsystem, and use Add Mapping Context to add the IMC default. Now right-click and search for IA Move. Create a direction variable, type vector, and a move speed variable, type float. Don't forget to set move speed to something like 300. In the IA Move event, set action value Y to direction X and X to direction Y. When IA_move completes, reset direction to 0. In event tick, check if the direction is nearly 0. Use a not Boolean node and a branch to check it. If it's true, normalize direction. Multiply it by move speed. Multiply again by delta seconds. Then plug it into Add Actor World Offset. Now test it. Don't forget to set Auto Possess Player to Player 0 on your tank. The tank should now move with your input, but it doesn't rotate yet. To fix that, create a Set Actor Rotation node. Use our interp to for smooth rotation. Get the current rotation using Get Actor Rotation. And use direction as the target rotation. Set delta time to world delta seconds, and set interp speed to around 10. Plug the result into new rotation. Now, test it again. Your tank now rotates smoothly toward the movement direction. Let's make the top component rotate toward the mouse location. Right-click and add line trace by channel. Get the player controller. Then use Convert Mouse Location to World Space. Plug the world location into Start, and take the world direction, multiply it by 50,000. Then add it to world location. That becomes the end. Now, get actor location and subtract the hit location. Drag in the top component and use Set World Rotation. We only use the Z rotation, yeah. Use a sequence node to control the execution order and link it to the line trace. The top rotates to the mouse, but we don't see the cursor. In Event Begin Play, get Player Controller, and use Set Show Mouse Cursor, set it to True. And that's it. Now your tank moves with input and the turret rotates to the mouse position. Thanks for watching.